it's Whitney from EcoVeganGal.com and welcome back to the What a Vegan Eats channel, where I share what I eat on a daily basis. And here's a summary of what I had today. I started off with a fantastic green juice from my favorite juice place on the West Coast, the Punch Bowl in Los Feliz. You've seen me there before, but check out this cool little thing that I did to represent my experience there today. After Punch Bowl, I went to Flore, which is a restaurant I've been going to since I began the Eco Vegan Gal YouTube channel. You can go way back to the beginning of 2009 when I first started the Eco Vegan Gal channel and see my review there. It's really, really awkward. Maybe I'll link to it, or maybe I'll just make you go look for it. But I go there every once in a while, and their food is really solid. They have a lot of organic food. It's entirely vegan. It's kind of like a diner. They have a great menu, plenty of things to get for all different type of dietary preferences. And I got one of their bowls, which was really more like a plate of food. And it had mashed potatoes, kale, broccoli, mushrooms, and then I added a kale broccoli rice burger that was so good that I want to try to make it at home. It was just perfect, and that combination of all that food was really, really tasty. I didn't record the rest of my day, but I kind of dabbled here and there with foods. I actually ended up having blueberry pancakes from Wholesome Chow's baking mix. They have this high protein, vegan, gluten-free baking mix. It's really easy. All you have to do is add milk to it. So I use coconut milk, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, which isn't really on the low histamine thing, but there were a few things I ate today that weren't. You know, I'm being a little lenient. And it was a little hard to make, but the taste was great, really nice texture. Gluten-free pancakes can just be challenging to make. Do any of you have a really good gluten-free vegan pancake recipe or mix that you love? I'm always experimenting. I still haven't found the one that I want to use. And I also had some more of the that really good carob mousse pecan pie that Jason made for my birthday, which was really yummy. I had a little bit of that for breakfast, and I had that for desserts, and it all just hit the spot. So that was my day. I hope you enjoyed it. I can't wait to hear what your favorite pancake mix is. It doesn't have to be gluten-free. If you're not gluten-free, just tell me what kind of pancakes do you love to make, or do you prefer waffles? Waffles or pancakes is another question. So tell me, favorite recipe and or mix, and then do you love pancakes or waffles or prefer them? Can't wait to hear from you. I'll see you tomorrow back here on this channel. Check out the main Eco Vegan Gal channel for other content, and uploading a video right now about Expo West for you. And I should have a new uncensored video up on the Eco Vegan Gal Uncensored channel too, today or tomorrow. All right, see you later.